everyone, welcome to the channel. So here we are discussing the question increasing and decreasing on Codeforces. So the question states that you are given three integers x, y and n. The task is to construct array A of integer n which satisfy following conditions: a1 equal to x, an equal to y, a is strictly increasing, that is a1 is less than a2 and so on till an. If we denote bi by ai plus 1 minus ai for I 1 to n minus 1, then b is strictly decreasing, that is b1 greater than b2 till bn minus 1. And at last, if there exists no such array A, we need to print integer minus 1. So going to the number of test cases, let's see. So first test case is 1, 4, 3. So our x, y, n is the format of the test cases. So x is 1, y is 4 and n is 3. So now we need to construct an array which has first element as 1 and last element as 4. And we are given the condition that we have bi's in strictly decreasing order and ai's in strictly increasing order. Let's write like this to understand it better. So now if you calculate whole this thing, you come up to a conclusion that if ai plus 1 minus ai is greater than ai plus 2 minus ai plus 1. This means on calculating and simplifying this equation, we get 2 times ai plus 1 is strictly greater than ai plus ai plus 2. Now this is our final equation, and what this becomes, we will be mainly focusing on this equation, and as you see, this is none other than our equation of arithmetic progression, which is also known as AP. Now this forms AP, but the difference is that in AP here it is equal to sign and here in this condition is greater than sign, which means our difference must be greater than the difference of AP. So what should we do? First we can calculate the difference simply. So the difference would be y, which is an minus a1 divided by n minus 1. So y minus x divided by n minus 1. So this gives us the value of d. Now we got the difference. We calculate this difference and hence calculate the other element. So let's try on the first one. First we have x as 1, y is 4. So putting these 4 minus 1 divided by n minus 1. So n is 3 So 3 minus 1. Also remember that it is integer division. So 4 minus 1 gives us 3. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2, what it will give? It will give us 1. Now it gives us 1 and we have our array as 1, 1, 4. Now we will check first this condition. So when we check this condition, 2ai plus 1. ai plus 1 is this. So 2 into ai plus 1 is 2. And our ai plus 2 is ai is 1, ai plus 2 4. So it gives us 5. So 2 is not greater than this. Hence, what we do now, we add 1 to the term which we calculated. For all the terms which we calculated, we add plus 1 till this term does not become greater. So now the term becomes 2. If term becomes 2, 2i will become 4. Still it is not greater than this term. Again we add 1, it becomes 3, then it becomes 6, and hence it is greater, and yes, we get 1, 3, 4 as the output. So we can calculate by this, and at last we check if all the elements are obeying the condition of ai also, which means ai is less than a1 is less than a2 and so on. So just check this condition, and if this condition and this condition both are satisfied, then we return the series, else we return -1. So looking at another example of 1, 3, 3. Now if we take 1, 3, 3 here, let's first clear this out. It was n minus. So we take 1, 3, 3. So x is 1, y is 3, and we have n also as 3. So we have difference as 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus. Now difference is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 as the output of the series. Now we check this series, and we check 2ai plus 1. A plus 1 is this. So 4 greater than 4, which is not true. We add plus 1 in this, so it becomes 3, and 3 into 2 is 6, so it becomes greater. So we have the new series as 1, 3, 3. Now we check the condition of ai's, that is our a1 is less than a2, a2 is less than a3, and so on. And if you see here, our a2 is equal to a3, but this condition is satisfied, this condition is not satisfied, hence we return -1 in this case. So I hope you all understand this solution. It mainly involved the concept of AP. Thanks for watching.